Welcome back everyone to a fresh YouTube video. It's your main man Dino's here. Big operation down at the unit today. I'm having a big tidy up, making some proper space. Here's a little Corsa we picked up on a 59, little diesel thing. Yeah, 59 reg. Drives alright. It wasn't it's been stood a while. Went to try and get it yesterday back to a flat, but we jump packed it with the top down. So we're on with that. Let's have a look in here. Luke's chopping a load of pallets up. We've got rakes and more logs in. They're going down steady away, but we've got a load of logs in. Chris is stripping them, resting them pallets. The plan is all this area tidied up, taking that racking down, clearing all that crap off there, and at the back, really big tidy up because we haven't got enough room and we need some stock coming in. I've bought a Peugeot Biffa van on a 64 reg. I've bought a Blingo multi-space on a 59 or a 58 for scrap. Still got to pick that Mariva up. Can't see me now with the sun. Still got to pick that Mariva up. Brad come yesterday and picked Luke's Honda up and the 307cc. So that's gone. So yeah, it's all good. Pretty busy today. It's gotten a bit cold as well, so hopefully a few customers will come down. The windows have been dropped off for the house, so I need to go pick the front door up from there as well and get them windows paid. And then the window fitter's going to come and get them chucked in, and then we can carry on with the house renovation. So it's all go. Well, sorry about that, people. It's becoming a regular occurrence, is that battery job, innit? We're too tight to buy new batteries or a new GoPro, probably a new camera. But we do need to get one. But then, like I was saying, it's all go. My plan is now, like I said in the last video, what we are now, end of Feb more or less. End of March, I want to be somewhere near with the house, beginning of April, ready to rent that out because we'll start getting some rent back off it. And yeah, try and look for another one for summer. There's a guy coming from Edenfield Cricket Club to pick up 50 of these 1.2 metre lengths. Picking 50 of them up. My other brother Peter's claimed them big 3x3 posts for his pen. He's going to make a fence with him. So yeah, it's all good. How's everyone doing anyway? I hope you enjoyed the last few videos with the scrap and all that carry on. Yeah, it's all good. Let me know in the comments what you've been up to. And don't forget, over 50% of people who are watching aren't subscribed, and it costs us nothing and it helps us out a little bit. Just smash that subscribe button, people. That'll do for now. Right, the best cart on, get some work done. Right, I've been promising my pal Jordan 2 ton bags of off-cut wood for his burner at his unit, and I've been letting him down, so sorry about that, Jordan. Not really, just a messer, aren't I? He's already got a ton bag over there. Then Chris is just messing one up now because it's not inside an house. It's a bit of random timber in there which he knows about. He's not bothered because it's just going in a unit burner, so I'm going to run them over to back end of Rottenstone now, the Glen over that way. So yeah, shout out to Jordan, cheers pal, I'll be over soon. So, and then Luke's obviously started up with a clean up, getting rid of all that tackle. We're going to get a load of auction stuff together, which we're going to show you guys, taking that over to the next auction at Clitheroe. It's not on this, it's the sales on this weekend, so I've missed this month. So next month we'll fill the old Sprinter up with all the unwanted gear, and we'll show you, put it in the auction over there, and let's see what we get for that, boys and girls. So right, let's get on with it.
Right, me and your main man Chris have been left to do this job because I've got a plan what I'm going to do it. Dean's gone to take the ton bags as he just said a minute ago. First of all, we're going to get all, as you'll see around here, it's come a dumping ground, kindling machines just in the middle of nowhere. That table's full of shite. I'm going to keep that block there to measure my gearbox mount up for my Escort, which will probably never get done as people will say in comments. But that's staying for now at 200 block, unless you offer us good money at going. But anyway, quads under there, what me and my mate have, they're going to get put under the racking. My plan is Chrissy's Ciron can be moved as well shortly. But we're going to get all these pigeon boxes down, crates for Dean's pigeon racing job. We're going to put them on top of the office over there, nice and neat. We've got loads of just random crap which we've kept over years. And there's stuff like, say, you go in here and you go to Builder's Yard and you buy something and you come back and you think, oh, I didn't need to buy that, I had that. But yeah, so that needs a right good clean up. We'll have a quick look around that and get sorted. we're going to make a big auction pile. Like I said, there's them bins from that pen that needs to go to auction. That egg incubator, bits of still blowers and a cage over there, a couple of green tubs, just completely random shit. But like I say, we need to make a plenty of space from it because it's a dumping ground. This is a little bit of a kitchen. Dean's wife been down and cleaned up and washed up after us all. I've got a bit of camping gear up there which needs to be sorted. This is me e-bike which I've had for a while. Put a brew on, Chris. We're having a brew, lad. Yeah, that's my e-bike. I need to get back out on that this summer. Cracking thing. I've had that about 3 or 4 years. I was keen on it at one time, but I just obviously, you go through phases, don't you? But expensive bit of kit, but obviously not worth nowhere near what I pay for it now, so that's going to have to be used instead of sold. So my plan is, get that racking down, get it set up at this side of the unit, bring it 8 foot away from the wall, from the front edge, so we can get 2 quads underneath, one under one side, chained together and chained to racking. The old Escort there, that's going on top of the racking, out of the way, never to be touched again. No, so I can I keep saying that, but yeah, that needs doing. I need to get that up there and get it done. Then basically from this red stanchion here, all that area there is usable space, and at the minute it's just a dumping ground. Can't get anything organised and squared up. The old office, little office at the back from his old venture, that needs to come down. Engine crane on top's going to auction. All cleaning gear can stay up, go up on where my car's going. Big yellow table there. It's a big, that weighs literally half a ton. That it's got a big, it's a big steel plate on top of it. It used to be in the cafe next door. They give it us when they moved. So that's going to get reused and repurposed as like a cooking worktop over there, so we can cook on there. We're on a carnivore diet now, thing. So trying to get a bit of timber off. So yeah, that's that. I'll show you doing that. And there's also another thing I'd like to go on about. It's Wednesday, so I'm going to call it a Wednesday rant. I've noticed on these channels, on all the channels, not just us, but there's 3 or 4 kinds of people on here. You've got the people who want to see you do well and happy going forward. You've got the people who just go to work, come home, I'm happy just to watch stuff and pleased and put good comments on. You've got people who maybe are ill health or can't work and disabled who want to work, who are happy to watch it. Then you've got your odd few who can work, can't be arsed working, and sit there keyboard worrying you. I'm not going to mention no names at all, I won't give them the satisfaction of being mentioned on here. But I noticed this, I read all our comments, and I read all James and John's comments on their videos. And obviously we have his friendly banter ones and stuff like that, and the messes and all that stuff. That's friendly banter. But then you get some are just bitter. And then you could check their YouTube channels out when they're doing a bit, and you know what, I hope them all the best and I wish them all the best doing their stuff. But for some reason they seem to come on and our channel, James and John's channel, and just slag it off. Always picking holes in things, you're dodging this, you're dodging that, they ain't got a clue to sell, and then they're sat on their thing trying to put the worlds to right, the looks of it, sat there, can't be arsed working, who are fit and healthy to work, claiming, doing whatever they're doing, then slagging us off for it. That we're having to do, we're trying to get going. Obviously other people just in general working, we're all self-employed, left school self-employed, and obviously no one's paying us sick pay and overtime pay or anything like that. We've got to make it work, or we've no money. But they don't see that, they just think you're out there to scam everybody, but what can you do? Obviously other people in normal self-employed working in normal work, no, you're going to get that kind of thing with this social media thing, and which it doesn't bother me to such, but after a bit you think, piss off, you know what I mean? Get up and have a do yourself, then let us know how easy it is, what you keep telling it us, how easy it is, and you're doing it wrong. I won't have a do. Can't knock us for trying, we'll have a do it out, you know what I mean? We'll try and make a quid out of anything. But that's me Wednesday morning rant over. So no one's getting in there mentioned, but like I say, read my comments, I read James and John's comments and a few other channels. They're on every channel, not the same person, but they're there watching, putting it all to rights and not doing nothing to sell. So you let me know your views on that kind of stuff, and maybe if it's offended you, it might be aimed at you, not sure, but maybe have a look at your sell and have a do your sell and let us know how you get on, because I'm wishing you all the best with it and I want you to get on, just like everyone try and make a few quid, keep the wolf away from the door, and keep at it. That's all it's about, innit? We're not going to become millionaires, I don't think. I'd like to, but I can't see it happening anytime soon. Not with the climate we're in. But you never know, things might be a Del Boy moment. Might find an old gold watch, but it is what it is. Said that saying again. But anyway, that's it. That's over. That's Wednesday rant over. You probably couldn't be arsed listening to that, but I've got it off my chest. It's done. It's pissed me off this morning. Anyway, back to Chris now. Let's give Chris some, not stick, but let's ask him how his day's getting on. How's your day getting on, Chris?
Alright.
How were riding this morning? Cold?
Horrible.
Having to stop on the motorway bridges, bud?
Yeah, wet through.
Wet through. He's got a different pair of clothes on. He set off this morning and he's waterproofs, and they're not that waterproof. They're hung up there at RBC. Oh, his jacket's alright, but it's his pants. He'll wet through anyway, but he's turned in, that's the main thing. And we have been noticing in it, and like I say, he has been coming in on time and then coming a little bit earlier, and he's been grafting, so fair play to it, lad. Might buy him a butty today.
I might be some rice for my breakfast, I'm hungry.
Honestly, he'd eat out of house, and I'm not lying. Anything, if we leave anything or whatever, which is very rare, but if he'll eat it. If we don't like something, he'll eat it. He'll eat anything you give him. Fair play to it, lad. And he's built like a racing snake, aren't you, Chris, lad? We're getting a subscriber on here saying, Chris, you're going to have to let it go as well. Sorry to offend you now, but the haircut, they're saying just stop, you're holding up, you're fighting a losing cause.
Going. I will go and get it done one day.
Where are you going for it?
To go to Turkey, won't I will get my hair done. That's my aim.
Someone said he looked like a drop lollipop when you drop a lollipop on a carpet.
Drop lollipop.
A drop lollipop, that's what they said you look like. Anyway.
I've got them.
Right, we're going to get this. We're going to have a quick brew while Dean's out now and do nothing. We're going to get that all taken down. So when we put the camera back on, hopefully all that will be over there. And hopefully my Escort hasn't dropped off stacker and fell on its side. And it's going to James and John's for scrap.
Yeah.
Well, folks, brew time. Luke's on with the what's it called? Racking and clearing the unit up. I'm just going to go and jump in and help him after this brew. My brother Peter's here, coming to pick a few bits up that we've given him. Recovery truck is booked in for Friday for the welding. As pal Dave's going to weld that up and get that sorted. So then hopefully we can just tinker about with a little bits and bats, and hopefully next week get it tested. Me other brother is picking the bipper up for me, he's dragging that back because I'm too busy to pick that up. So if he does, I think he might be buying it. If he doesn't buy it, I'll show you around it. And yeah, all in all, I've noticed as well, Brad come yesterday, I don't know if Luke filmed it, probably not because obviously it's a new video, he's nicked one of my hats. So he's nicked me Harvey's and now he's nicked one of my Mr. Kindling hats. You know what I mean? It's costing the business money. It's not on. So I'll give you some stick in the comments. Brad off Baxton Carbreakers channel is an absolute messer. So yeah, give it some stick. Well, folks, the unit's like a bomb's gone off, but we're getting somewhere near out with Luke. The rack is now down. And there's a pile of scrap that's been unearthed here. Serious question now, what are you actually doing with this rotten old piece of turd?
No, rotten this one.
Go on, mate. What are we doing with it? Are we weighing it or not?
She wants painting, doesn't she? She wants TLC, she wants money spending on it.
Whoever puts the first comment onto that video can have this Escort for free, but you've got to come and pick it up.
Yeah. Full of them bricks. Look at it, she's sleeping.
Just think, you could have had that done for summer. You could have been driving up and down Blackpool front, picking up birds up.
I don't want any more, I've got one and I don't know. It probably cost me another 10 grand to see it right.
That's right, you can't take it with you, son.
You can't take it with, but I haven't got it to take it with yet.
Of course you have, sell some kindling.
Some kindling, the season's coming to an end.
Kindler's list. We need to get the Escort do, we need to get some video, at least get some videos on it doing it.
It'd make a good video.
Make a good series.
Would it?
But for the time being, she's getting pulled out of there, boys, and she's going up here where...
I can get up there,
Chris is
I can actually get to it easier there than I can from behind the stanchion.
Well, Luke's chopped the middle sanction off on the racking, so it's going on top of there. And then all this coal and kindling and storage can go under that side, all the bits and bats can go out the way. Still plenty of storage at the top of there. So that means all the rest of this unit, then we've got space to do loads of fun activities, haven't we, Luke?
We would have done it this side and then like made a kitchen den thing on roof here, but the gas back there, so we can't do it with it.
Yeah.
So
We'll make a kitchen. We're going to take that metal table there with a stainless top. I'm going to put it down this side here, and then we'll have a very good tidy. A lot of stuff to go to auction.
yeah, lots of crap.
There's one of the old enamel signs I got dug up in I think it was Colne, I think, or Fulridge.
Anyone on it? Got any metal detecting land? I've also got my other hobby there. I do metal
Oh yeah,
detecting.
he's got his metal detector. So if anyone's got any acres up and down the country, you don't mind travelling,
Yeah, I'll come and metal detect
and
it.
he'll split any good finds he finds with you. So.
Best find I've had so far is a Bronze Age axe head.
And he found off or something. He
I
found
found all the
off.
sovereign, I sold it drunk, didn't I?
Yeah, he got drunk and sold it. Stupid.
It's got up now, right?
So yeah, big sort out at the unit. What else is it, Luke? I think my other brother has gone to pick the Bipper van up that we've got. He's going to tow it back. Like I said, I think he might be having that. If not, he's going to bring it back for us anyway. Apart from that, there's not really much else to.
No,
To what, really?
That's roughly right today, isn't it, really?
It is.
You brought a corsa back, that's right, if you want.
Yeah, of course it's outside, but we are going to get the truck welded on Friday.
Yes.
Luke might tinker with that Friday as well and get all the bits, little niggly bit.
A few bulbs and seatbelt buckle.
Yeah, the on.
Something else. We do need to get that front window sorted, though.
Yeah,
Screen.
we just have to bodge it in.
Oh, silly, isn't it?
Yes, I mean, bodge it up.
Or I'll get a tube of sticker flex and stick it in.
Because we do got someone just rung up with a 14 plate insignia as well for scrap. So we need to get that picked up. They've still got Mariva. I might get that tonight, me and Chris or you or whatever.
I've got keys at my house for that.
Get that Mariva dragged back. I've got to, like I say, that Belingo van thing. It's alright, it's all this. It's all money in the bank.
It's all money going out, isn't it?
Yeah, it comes back in. We've plenty of, we were talking about idea earlier then, we don't know how long left we've got with the season because we've got, what we're in now, end of Feb.
Halfway through April, I think it'll quite.
Yeah, so next 2 month, 8 week. But that'll be alright because then the house will be done. So we can crack on with getting that ready for rent. And then we can start hitting the cars probably full at it in the winter. Yeah, but yeah, to keep the wolf away from the door, keep the bills being paid. Chris keeps uffing and puffing for some reason all day.
Weather.
Why? Because you've got to drive home on your Suron.
I told him, get a CVT done, and you don't have to go down more.
Well, I've told him to get if he gets his licence done, his car, we'll give him a car.
It could be out insurance, but he won't.
You could be out delivering, son, couldn't you? But no, he'd rather put a balaclava on, won't you, and drive up and down canals, lad, won't you?
Yeah.
Look at
People think we own him.
we do own him, but
He doesn't listen to us.
give me some stick.
No.
Yeah.
Can give you some steak.
Whoa! Swearing.
And he's not got his PV on again.
No, look.
Yeah, look.
He's come to work on a zero, wet his work
Yeah,
boots
look.
through in his pants, his chainsaw pants, and then put some old trackies and some trainers on like he's going out dossing.
Yeah.
I'm boss, mate. I can do what I want.
No, you can't. No.
Oh yeah, we're on camera now, Chris, while we're here. Who's the best boss?
Oh yeah, who's the best boss, me
Keep
or?
asking who's
Come on, come over here. Come on, who's best to work
best?
for?
Don't forget
Who's a
our
stress head?
Yeah.
Who's the stress head?
You.
Why do I get stressed?
You get stressed over something stupid.
Yeah, but why though?
Who shouts at you most?
D Martin.
Yeah, but who's the best boss, me or Luke?
Choose careful, I'm paying half your wage, yeah.
Come on.
Okay, there you know.
Who's best boss?
He's good to work with.
Yeah.
He's a stressor.
Right, so you prefer Luke than me.
Yeah,
Right,
you-
that's it. He prefers Luke over me.
There we go.
I've known him years. You just wait. This camera goes down, he's getting whipped.
Dean's actually known him longer than I have.
So that Luke's a favourite out of Chrissy.
There you go.
So I'm going to go and sit in shed now and sulk.
Good cop, bad cop.
Don't forget, people, keep commenting, liking and subscribing. Hit the notification bell. Follow Luke on Scrap Car Recycling UK, even though he doesn't put anything on anymore because he's a messer.
I'll start putting these few cars on.
Why
And,
are you sulking?
We'll see you on the next one, guys. I'm just going to go and cry.